Baby Basics Care Kit by Fridababy. A Registry must by Fridababy is one of the best sellers among baby grooming and healthcare kits products. Finally, a practical baby kit, tackle baby snot, gas relief, nail clipping and baby eczema in cradle cap with one convenient gift-giving ready set. Baby shower must-have, the ultimate starter collection of all natural, safe and effective fuss busters from the makers of the cult favorite and pediatrician recommended, Nose Frida the Snot Sucker. Baby Basics set includes, Nose Frida nasal aspirator and 4 disposable hygiene filters. Nail Frida, nail clipper S-curved file, 5 windy baby gas relief single-use tubes, 1 silicone baby bath brush for eczema in cradle cap and a rounded silicone carry case with zip close and a wristlet handle. Awesome value. Bought separately, these products in case retail for over $60. Get a great deal with this kit. Ready to give, packaged in a beautiful square box, it's a Registry necessity at a price you can afford. Baby Basic Kit.